Hello, in front of me I've got MG3. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. To check Windows manufacture date, take a look at the Any window. Right here we can find this sticker. On the sticker, on the bottom of it, there is number and dots. Number indicate production year and dots indicate production month. In this case, this window was manufactured in 2025. And since we've got 10 dots, it was manufactured in 10th month of the year. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.